Hello there, I'm Aysel and this is John.
Hey everybody.
In this Getting Started, we will look at how to inspect your scan with the help of CAD data in Zeiss Inspect. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. In previous videos, all inspections we have shown have been done on the scan data alone. With the assistance of CAD data, our productivity can jump to another level. The benefits of inspection with CAD data include automatic part alignment to the CAD coordinate system, all nominal dimensions readily available for measurements, and of course, the ability to automate future inspections in a parametric way.
Alright, let's go ahead and get started in Zeiss Inspect. Starting with a scan volume and mesh in our project, we can go ahead and drag our CAD file into the workspace. We can now join that CAD file with the mesh and align them together with a quick global best fit. Zeiss Inspect offers a full set of alignment features if the application requires something more specific. A special note with that alignment, our volume data has actually also been automatically aligned to the CAD, in addition to the mesh. This makes for an ideal trio of insights when we switch to our multi-view. The black and white data here is pure volume data. The green border that surrounds the volume represents our mesh surface, and the blue data is the border of our CAD file at the same section.
Very strong insights for sure, John. If we have all of this information conveniently aligned, I say we can continue looking for deeper insights. What do you think?
Yeah, let's see it.
Cool. If we continue, we can quickly create a surface comparison to cut to capture the deviations in these overlays with a color map. Since we are in the multi-view, we can conveniently see the deviations on our 2D sections as well as a 3D color map covering the entire part. If we adjust our legend, we can really start to get an idea on what area of the part we should give special attention to. Additionally, distance inspections can be done using virtual calipers, reproducing the real assembly issues as good as possible. If we check the outer distance of this part, we see that the nominal values is automatically populated by the value designed into the CAD file. Zeiss Inspect also comes with a full set of GD&T analysis functions, making your MT1 system a complete inspection solution.
As we've shown in previous Getting Started videos, all inspections can be documented in the reporting workspace of the software. Since we have a CAD file now, any future data sets for this part will be reported in the exact same way. Reports can be shared by PDF or with the free Zeiss Inspect software version. Therefore, it's very easy to create and share reports. If you experience anything different from what you've seen here, or if you have any questions about our solutions, please visit handsonmetrology.com. For more Getting Started information, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.